Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Night Before Father's Day by Natasha, illustrated by Amy Wummer. "'Twas the night before Father's Day, and while Dad rode his bike, we raced to the garage, Mom, me, and Mike. We tossed tons of junk. Mom picked up stray nails. We stacked towers of paint cans and white plastic pails. On hooks we hung cords, hoses, and wires. Mom put away ladders and bicycle tires. We swept out the cobwebs and scrubbed up oil spills. Set up Dad's hammers, screwdrivers, and drills. After washing the car, we polished it up. Then inside we left Dad a new to-go coffee cup. Mom eyed the dipstick. Yep, it's a quart low. So she poured in more oil. Now it's ready to go. Exhausted, we nestled all snug in our beds, while visions of Father's Day danced in our heads. The next morning, we let Dad sleep in extra late, then served him bacon and eggs on a He-Man-sized plate. Happy Father's Day! We shouted and gave him our card. He laughed when he read it. So did Mom, just as hard. Now get ready, Dad, for the biggest surprise. They're right, said Mom. You won't believe your eyes. We blindfolded Dad and led him outside. Look what we did, we said, beaming with pride. When what to his wondering eyes should appear but a man's dream garage, Dad smiled ear to ear. His tools all so handy, his workbench so clean. It was the neatest garage that he'd ever seen. Guess what, Dad? I said. There's still one more treat. Right on cue, Mom backed his car out onto the street. Wow! Dad exclaimed. Look at that shine! Who'd ever guess that this car's really mine? Hop in, he said. So we all piled inside. We're going for a long Sunday ride. Dad honked the horn twice as we all drove away. Thank you, he said, for the best Father's Day. Thank you, readers, for joining us today to the story, The Night Before Father's Day. I love the rhyming in this story and the different things that the family did to celebrate Father's Day. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button to help support this channel, and share this video with any father that you know for Father's Day. If you like this book as much as I did, here are some other books that I think you'll enjoy from our growing library. However, this video is coming to an end. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing Father's Day. Bye-bye.